Hi guys! Welcome to another video. Today, we will be recreating the classic look of the one, the only one in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, Miss Manila Luzon! So, let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing she's doing is the eyebrows. Now, if you also want to recreate her classic look, you need this glue. This is a disappearing purple. You can actually just buy it at any of your local stores. Make sure it's the purple one or the disappearing purple one, because as it states here, it goes on purple and dries clear. I'm sorry if you see sweat. It's very hot here in the Philippines. That's also the reason why I'm not at the attic, because the attic is too hot for me. I'm actually scared, but let's go.
So first thing I do is block out my eyebrows. I know a lot of queens who are dedicated to the craft will shave their brows clean off, or even leave a little nub like here, like Valentina. But I like my big bushy eyebrows so much, just to walk around in the daytime, that I have a hard time doing it.
It's not going on. There's no purple. Is it because I'm a sweat? So I'm actually fairly new to the drag community or drag itself. I was only introduced when RuPaul's Drag Race was actually put on Netflix. And as far as drag knowledge and everything I know about drag culture is basically what I just see from RuPaul's Drag Race. I think that's the best I can do it right now. She actually put some kind of white powder.
It's hair, so you have to train it.
I don't have that powder. So, I think I'm gonna go with my instincts and just use plain powder. What have I got to lose? Okay, I think I definitely did something wrong. Wait, what? Okay, so as you can see, I tried doing the eyebrows again off camera because I had to turn the fan on to actually make it look like this. This is the best I could do at this moment, at the skill level and all the other things. So I'm just going to put on my foundation again. The first thing that I actually did with the eyebrows is I had to get rid of the glue. So just put water in it and then it'll be gone. And then after that, the first thing you do is just put on the glue again, but try your best not to go over the actual brows that you will be covering, because as you saw earlier, it became disgusting and it looked like oatmeal and it just did not look good. So try not to do that. You know, this part right here, earlier there were some questionable things lurking, and then immediately put the powder while it's still purple and set it for a bit, and then do the second batch or the second layer. While it's purple, put the powder again. And then yeah, that's what this looked like. Let's see what's next.
Now I'm gonna do some highlights. Right.
Okay.
Highlight the forehead.
Highlight.
Oh yeah, this is just a highlight.
Wait. Oh, here we
It's
go.
TV white, but you guys don't want to know that. Your cheekbones, your chin a little bit, sometimes your upper lip. Boop.
Okay, so she's basically contouring and highlighting stuff. See, actually what she said earlier about the having to do your makeup fast, that's one of the things that I was very impressed about while I was watching RuPaul's Drag Race, because there are times where they say like they only have 2 hours to do everything that they have to do. It's one of the things that I was most impressed by, like how can you do that in like that short period of time? It's amazing. I respect drag so much and the art of drag. It's very hard work. It takes a lot of courage to actually do what they're doing. And maybe that's the reason why I literally binge watched RuPaul's Drag Race. It was just so fascinating to watch, and everything was so beautiful. And the things they've been through, like, it's just, it's sad and makes me angry that some people still do that. I can't understand why people just can't be happy for other people. It's irritating. Let them do what they love. They're not doing anything to hurt you or harm you, so why don't you just shut up and let them do what they want to do?
Now I take a dark contour and I paint over
contouring
where the dark parts of my face should be. Okay, so I usually start here at the top, which will round my forehead a little bit.
Contouring around face, and like what she said, women, i.e. me, have around the round thing here in the forehead.
Men's foreheads tend to draw back here and be square, and women's hairlines tend to be more rounded.
One of the reasons why I love drag so much is because it tells you that you can do literally anything, that you shouldn't care what other people think, and you should just keep doing you and doing what you love and expressing yourself without really giving a damn about what other people think.
All my creams are blended and whatever, I'm just gonna set it.
Ah, wait. Set. Okay. I'm gonna set using the baby powder again, because why not? We've already started with that, why not end with that?
So I go back in
Then she just
to
reinforces
some
it. So I'm just gonna do
contour
what she doing.
shadow, and I just kind of
the-
reinforce what I did with the creams.
this stuff. Put something here. Why does it not look like what she's doing? This is a disaster, you guys. I'm sorry. And then
now I want to put some blush because it just puts a little
she went on with
color in your
blush.
skin. Your skin is supposed to be transparent, a little bit translucent.
That's what we're doing today. And then again,
Just
she uses the
cupping
powder
my
that I don't know
cheekbone
what
right now.
is
Let her cook.
to cut her crease. What? To cut the cheekbones. You know? Yan naman! Everything does not look like it's supposed to. Hey! This looks like what she did. There is hope yet. Oh my gosh. I just felt sweat. Literally. Through my legs. So I'm debating whether I should like open the fan because this makeup needs air, needs cold weather to actually work. So I'm actually just gonna do that so as not to make this more of a disaster. It's not going to sound good. See there. Okay, so I know I look a little crazy right now. Everything's not going as I planned them to be, but we're gonna push through and do this because I'm not a quitter. Next, she did the brows, and that's what I'm going to do with this angled brush. Everything's fine.
Draw or paint in a brow shape, and that's whatever shape you want it to be.
I don't know if it looks good on camera, but I'm saying it to you now that looking here in this mirror, it does not look good. I can see my eyebrows peeking through here. It's not as white as what hers look like. It's disgusting. It's not, everything is not what I hoped it would be. Saying that this is a disaster is an understatement, but good thing for concealers. I tried my best with the brows. That's the best I can do it with. I just concealed some of it. I know it isn't part of the classic look makeup tutorial, but I had to make it work. Everything else was just a disaster, so I had to make this work.
Okay, and then I'm gonna set those.
I am afraid of what might happen, but I am going to trust. I'm going to put my faith in the system. We just wait.
Sure.
And then delete everything. Mine looks so ugly. You know what? I'm being realistic here. Not everybody has a pair of perfect eyebrows, so I represent those people. Yeah. We're just going to move on with the eyes.
Put a
She's
big
just gonna
heavy
put
layer
all this powder here.
loose powder on for my crease, and she just puts a nice brown
She's just
crease in my
she's
eye
just-
every single time.
She's just going in there. Fine. Okay. I'm not sure how this reflects on camera, but I can tell you I look very disgusting right now. gosh, I swear to God. You know, I expected this to be easier. She made it look so easy. This might look bad on camera, but I'm telling you, if you see this in real life, it is the stuff of nightmares.
Brown, this dark brown is like the perfect
hard
like, muddy
browns.
like dirty blush color. It's so beautiful, guys.
It's not pretty.
She's so pretty.
It's not pretty.
Alright, now I'm using liquid eyeliner.
The eyeliner right now. It obviously does not look like anything that she has done. Nevertheless, we are still going to do the lips and we are going to complete this look. She drew her lips bigger, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I had to change my settings or where I'm shooting because it was becoming too dark. I do not look anything like what she looks like, but we are going to add the finishing touches, which is the highlighter.
I hit some spots where I want the light to reflect and be like a little, you know, highlight.
So obviously, it was not a success. It looks nothing like her classic look. Yeah, I look like Manila Luzon'S that's had a day. A skunk farted in her face. She was swallowed by a whale and was pooped out. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am actually gonna stay here and I'm not going to do the close-up things that I usually do because you will see everything wrong with it. I mean, looking at it now, you can see that everything's wrong, but when you zoom in, then you actually see like the state of what my face is in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me try to recreate Manila Luzon'S look and fails is an understatement, but doing what I did right here, I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Looking at my phone right now, if it's like this far away, if it's this far away, it doesn't look as bad. It just doesn't look like me, but it doesn't look as bad as opposed to like this. It's like scary. If you want your child to be scared, you can show her this video, like just zoom in. It's proven to keep kids in shape. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, bye!